Good morning and welcome. My name is Jason Kearns, Firearms Manager at Meg Arms, and welcome to Tumwater, Washington, home of Meg Arms. We got you guys here today to give you guys kind of a walkthrough and a little bit of history of Meg Arms and where we're from, and show you what we're capable of. Meg Arms started as a parent company of Mega Machine Shop. We split off and branched off from Mega Machine Shop in 2010. And we're working under our own FFL, doing what we do best: receiver manufacturing, monolithic platforms, uppers, lowers, and such. Mega Machine Shop started at Parrot Machine in 1911, and was bought and transferred to Mega Machine Shop in 1984. And from then, arms production started in 1991 as Mega Machine Shop, and like I said earlier, in 2010, Mega Arms purchased and separated from Mega Machine Shop to be our own sole entity. So while I have you guys here, I'll have you guys walk through and show you what we're all about here at Mega Arms, and hope you guys enjoy the tour. Welcome to Mega Arms. Like I said earlier, guys, it's a full-service machine shop as well as arms production. In this area, we got a press, brake, and shear. Mazak laser in the corner that does some of our, plate work up to 5/8. Consistently busy. There's no stopping at Mega Machine Shop and Mega Arms. Up on the rack here, you see some of our billet material. That's how our billet material comes in from our manufacturers. Half of that stuff you see there will end up as monolithic uppers or standard uppers for the AR-10, a MA-10 platform, as well as AR-15 platform. So we're ramping up production to meet the needs of this new year coming up in 2012. Full service welding shop as well. Come with me, I'll show you the rest of the shop. Please pardon the mess. It's exquisite at the moment. It's, like I said earlier, we're extremely busy. Our cutting facility, where all our billet material is brought in and cut to size for our machines to grab and cut the rest of the way. Well, it never stops. More of our manual portion of our machine shop, manual lathes, manual mills, as some of the support items for some of the shop. When it breaks, it comes in here. A lot of guys will come in as far as custom customers for non-arms portions will come in. They'll need a specific hole cut and plate or whatever, and some of the guys in our manual machine shop will take care of that for them. Surfacing grinders, large lathes in the back. In this room, you have our CNC lathes. We've got 4 of them currently. We just put in a mill lathe, and it's getting all tuned in back there. We kind of ran out of room and just put it right in the middle of the floor, but it's going to work. It's going to work real fast for us. I'll have you guys over here. I'll show you our Tmm room. Before I go and show you that, I'll show you this is kind of our isolation area for ISO 9000. It kind of keeps things separate, and we're moving to ISO with Mega Machine Shop and Mega Arms. So it just helps keep things segregated when, checks and procedures happen. Welcome to our climate-controlled Tmm room for measurement. some of our measuring devices for Mega Machine Shop and Mega Arms. Everything gets put on its own little program, and every part gets checked and ran through its procedures to ensure ultimate accuracy and ultimate precision with our weaponry and Mega Machine Shop's production for parts. That ensures minimal or to no returns for our product. When there's ever a problem, if there's a problem, our parts can usually be ruled out. This is why, you know, our parts are the best in the industry because of this. You know, we are an arms production company built from aerospace, and which requires ultimate precision. And this is pretty much why we're able to keep the reputation in the industry we are. I'm going to show you the rest of the shop, gentlemen. Some of our other stock for Mega Machine Shop, aerospace and heavy equipment. And follow me through these doors. This is a 5th axis Mazak. Does all our dovetail cuts and the first outer profiles for our monolithic and our billet lowers. It also cuts our single-staged match tactical triggers. So I'll see what I can grab for you to show you what exactly it does. Here's an op1 off the machine there. That's pretty much how it'll go into our bigger machine. It starts off as a billet block of aluminum, which I'll show you here in a few minutes. And it ends up as a platform, much like you see here. Our other machine will grab it, finish the inside dimensions, you know, cut the forward assist and kind of finish off the procedure. And then it's off to sandblasting, a quick rattle, and off to anodize. Thanks, bro. So this is a 5th axis Mazak. The recycler guy likes this a lot. Follow me. You can see some of our horizontal Hercos that do most of the work for, if not 99% of it, for Mega Machine Shop. Some of our 308 monolithics in their op1 stage before they go on to the larger machine. Out of a solid block of 7075 T6 aluminum. Not too many people get to see it in this stage. Starts out just like that. This actual block of material will end up as an MTS 200 or a 220. That's carbine length for AR-15. But true billet block of aluminum that turns into an AR-15 or a MIL-10 product. True innovation, only by Mega Arms. That's a whole shopping cart full of triggers. And they're block steel stage. And just behind you guys here, this is our bread and butter. This is our Matsura 630 6-pallet machine. This is Mama. This is what cuts all our billet material. Forged lowers, forged upper, billet lowers, billet uppers, all our MTS line of uppers, our monolithic platform, in both 308 and AR-15 style. Quite a heavy duty machine. 6 pallet compatibility, and I'll show you around. Some of our ambidextrous lowers in the certain process of machining. I'll walk you guys around to the business end. More of our lowers in further stage of production. Those are our actual matched uppers that fit with our, those are our matched lowers that fit with our matched uppers and MTS upper. Over here to the left is kind of the staging area for this machine. Pretty bare right now because we're really getting it done. We're running 24/7 shifts right now to get this stuff out to the public quicker, out to our vendors. More of our product after stage 1. That's MTS 400 V2. That's our rifle length quad rail in AR-15. And down below here, you'll see all of our lower billet material. This is how our lowers start out when they're billet. All that you see over here is AR-15. I mean, that's how they start out. True billet, 7075 T6. Material made in America. Receivers made in America. And that's an AR-10, or our MA-10 lower. Starts out just like that. Large frame 308 lower, our MA-10 series. Got Andrew working away.
All I gotta do is gonna get messy, so.
I'll walk you guys through the rest of the shop and show you what's going on. So please excuse our mess, we're extremely busy. Some of the tooling that we have. That's just for one machine, set up parts, set up tooling. More aerospace equipment here, more aerospace production there. This out here is our chip bin that probably gets filled twice a week with aluminum product just by us alone. I'll walk you guys down over here to where our forged product gets produced. This is a brand new machine for us. We had to step up production, and we bought a Kiwa 2 pallet. It's capable to put a cell on this thing too, which we might do in the near future. This actual machine is brand new for us. It's about 6 months old. It moves really fast. But it does all our forged lowers. And over here you see the different stages of production. This is Frank, one of our machinists that is one of the heart and soul of Mega Arms. You got to have things done right here at Mega Arms, and he's a valuable asset. Some of the lowers as they're going through production here, goes through all full deburring processes. These lowers are actually a customer of mine. That from this stage, they're usually about 2 weeks out from delivery. They still got to get sandblasted, media rattled, and off to plating. Thanks, brother. We got a height gauge on the floor for the guys to measure quick dimensions. It's kind of the initial checks to make sure everything's correct before they go to the Tmm room for overall inspection. And I'll walk you over here and show you guys how they do go through pin checks and procedures. They got a whole set of numbered no-go, go gauges that they check every pinhole dimension to ensure ultimate accuracy when it comes to lowers and uppers, and just to make sure that they start right and they end right. Over here, gentlemen, this is a 2000 Tmm. This is what runs our uppers for forgings, forged uppers. Pretty much what you see here, as well as a no-go and go gauge pins. To check dimension and width and bore and everything else. As fast as we can make them, I promise you. As you can see some of the tombs that the guys have production here. The different stages of such part being ran. More of our machinists, busy deburring, hard at work. To the left of them, you see our forgings in the bin in a lock cage to make sure that all the counts are kept up to date. And just behind you to your six is where you see, this is where our forged lowers are kept. And up above is where our billet charging handle material is at for our 308 and AR-15. As fast as we can make them. Kind of the business end of our brand new Kiwa. Okay, gentlemen, I'm about to run you upstairs to show you the office, make table. On upstairs. Welcome to the central nervous system of Mega Arms. This is the initial ins and outs of Mega Arms. All the parts will come up here in white. When in white, they come up usually either bead blasted already, or they come up, you know, in the raw. And this is one of my right-hand men here. This is Captain Frankie here, and he's basically your parts get to look that good because of him and what he does here with us, going through all the separate checks that the parts go through. They all get laid out on the table. And gone through the whole procedure of clearing out the sand before going out to anodize. But this is much empty at the moment with how busy we've been. So I'll walk you guys over to the second room. the second room of Meg Arms. Kind of our make table. That's Ian there, another one of my armorers. Busy at work getting product out to the masses. We kind of set out a few toys on the table for you guys to kind of see and look over. All are our 308 MA-10 platform rifles. I'll just go right to it and show you what's cool right up front. What's new kind of for Meg Arms for 2012, so that will probably be next year, guys. But that is our fully automatic MA-10. We really don't have plans yet to mass produce these, but it's something that definitely is a fun toy currently, and the law enforcement industry can be looking forward to something like this shortly. There's several videos out there on YouTube that you'll be able to see these things go all the way at it. One of my buddies' mags at XS Products, they work well with. It's a 50-round drum mag from XS Products. Something that you guys will definitely want to see for 2012 is our receivers offered in nickel boron. As you guys can see, that the color is definitely different from a black Type 3 hard coat anodized. It's more of a tan color, and it's definitely a cool feature. It adds lubricity and longevity of the actual product itself. It defends against chipping and discoloration, and hopefully it'll be a good seller for 2012 for Meg Arms. So I've got some test products going on right now, and we'll see how it goes. All these boxes will be going out one day. More of our shipping area for Meg Arms. It all starts right here. Getting it in boxes, bags, getting it out to you guys. In here we got our offices, and my office is in here, and Krista's office is off to the left here. This is basically where we get things done here at Meg Arms. In this section here, you'll find most of our stock, our inventory, which is definitely depleted with how busy we've been lately. So, as busy as we can be. On the table, I just got some Svu Uppers back from plating. This is our heavy, kind of our heavy-duty billet upper. But definitely wanted to take some toys out to show you guys today what we're capable of. I'd like to thank you guys this afternoon for coming by the shop and taking some time out of your busy schedule, MIL-SPEC Monkey, to visit us here at Meg Arms and kind of show you guys what's new for 2012 upcoming, and to see some of our machinery and some of the things that make this place go round. So I do appreciate you guys stopping by. My name is Jason Kearns again from Meg Arms, and see you guys at SHOT Show. And always feel free to visit us at megarms.com, or you can go to Facebook and look us up there at Meg Arms, and click like us, and then we'll go from there. So I definitely appreciate you guys stopping by. Thanks.